We're shooting with the DJI Osmo Action and Andy Sign boom mic. We're shooting with the DJI Osmo Action and Andy Sign boom mic. Test 1, 2, 3. We're shooting with the DJI Action camera with the internal sounds only, the original camera. Now what we're going to do is switch over to the Action 3. We're shooting a video with the DJI Osmo Action 3, the internal sounds of the camera. And what we're going to do now is going to switch on over to a USB-C to TRRS adapter and use the Andy Sign boom mic with the TRRS cable to a TRS cable. We're shooting with external power. We're shooting with the Stochi USB Type-C cable. I'm holding the camera, the boom mic, because there's no connections to hold a cold shoe to the camera. Test 1, 2, 3. We're shooting with the DJI Osmo Action 3. We're using the cable with a Rode Wireless Go. Test 1, 2, 3. The last test is a wireless microphone directly hooked up a USB Type-C, and the wireless is on me. This is the final test of the DJI Osmo Action 3 with sound. It is fair to put the wireless Go on the DJI Osmo Action. Everything can be held correctly with the Ulanzi mic that they put on there. It is fair to do a wireless Go with the DJI Osmo Action, and it's doing a good job. If we had the option to glue a cold shoe on, you won't be able to put a frame, you'll be able to put your mic on, or the Rode Go, and so forth. And the only problem that this cable comes about, it sticks out like every other cable, and it is a dongle, something we did not want, like the GoPros that we got rid of. We could curl the cable, we could bring the cable like so, but we still have a long cable to deal with. We can get shorter cables, we could modify the cable and do a lot of things. The question is, how does the sound of the audio sound to you? Is it acceptable for this product? Some people are not happy, some people are happy. This is not the perfect product indeed, or any of the products out there of an action camera. As long as you got external sound, it may be good for you. So I hope this test is to your liking. Down below is a link for this cable that you're going to need an optional TRRS adapter. Have a great day.